Get high score in your JAMB and get good grades in your WAEC by following these simple steps. Number one, go to our website, whataap.com. There you have all the lectures that you need. Number two, click on the subscribe button to our YouTube channel, Tclassified.com. Number three, chat me up on WhatsApp so that I will send you a flash drive that has our lectures and past questions in them. And once you get this flash drive, I will now add you to a special WhatsApp group where our teachers will be helping you in all your academic needs. If you have assignment from your school, your projects as students, submit them there. Our teachers will help you sort them out. So these three simple steps will help you get very good grade in your WAEC. The benchmark for our students is 300 and above for their JAMB and 9A1 for their SSC. So you can make 300 and above in your JAMB, 9A1 in your WAEC by simply going to this website. This is the website. You can simply type in your address bar, https://educateafrican.com. So you chat me up. This is my phone number, +234 706716268, so that I can send you this flash drive through courier service. It has our recorded lectures plus our past questions, specifically done using the curriculum, your syllabus, in order for you to pass. Go to Google Play Store and type Educate African so that you can download our app. Our app, you can practice your JAMB there. You can also learn, see all our lectures. So once you order for this flash, I will add you to a special WhatsApp group where we can help you in sorting out your assignments and projects. You can also get the summary of the Life Changer novel, the novel that they use for English test, as the English test for the use of English. So the Life Changer summary is also on our website. Once you click on this website, http://educateafrican.com, you see everything you need for you to pass. Now make sure that you click on this very video that you are on and subscribe to the YouTube channel. The name of the YouTube channel is Tclassified.com. Once you go to YouTube, type in Tclassified.com, you'll be able to subscribe so that anytime we release any video that relates to your academics need, that relates to your scoring high in JAMB and WAEC, you'll be able to see such video. Then very, very importantly, this is our website, Educate Africans. If you're a teacher and you want to make money out of your teaching, you can simply go to educateafrican.com and register as an instructor and start creating your courses. If you check the next slide, you'll see the money that I've been able to make as being a content creator on Google platform and other platforms. You too can make such money. So here in Educate Africans, we are going to teach you how to create good content and make money. So quickly rush to educateafrican.com and register as an instructor if you're a teacher. If you can teach anything you want to teach, whether it's biology, chemistry, arts, any field, programming, you can teach about how to play guitar, how to play saxophone, anything you can teach. So once it's there and somebody buys the course, you get your money immediately. We only take commission in Educate Africa, but we'll train you on how to do all these and how to start monetizing your ability as teachers. So rush immediately to educateafrican.com. Make sure you hit the subscribe button on Tclassified.com. These are the steps that you need in order for you to get high score. We have very good teachers that are groomed in order to teach you and get you equipped. Constant drilling with past questions. All the quizzes and courses on this educateafrican.com, they are all associated with your past questions in JAMB and WAEC. So as you see these past questions, you are able to learn. You can check out my chemistry class. You will see my chemistry. Once you go to educateafrican.com, go down, scroll down, go view all courses. The first course there from the last side is chemistry. You see how I handle that class, and you're going to like it if you do. So call me. My phone number is 070-671-62698, so that I can give you every other information that you need. So this this is my phone number again, in case if you're calling from outside Nigeria. Make sure you go to Google Play Store and download our app, our Android app. The name of the app is Educate Africans. Just go to Google Play Store, search for Educate Africans, get this downloaded. And make sure that you call me and order for the flash drive that has all the lectures. Those lectures are very, very important. If you follow all these steps and you are an intelligent student, be sure that you will get 300 and above in JAMB and 9A1 in your WAEC. That's high stake, because here in Tclassified we train and drill our students, give them very high stake. Even if you're not very intelligent, then you will be able to make at least good grades in your WAEC and basic JAMB score that can help you get admission. So see you when I see you. Hit the subscribe button immediately. Check out the description part of this video. You're going to see the link to, you see various WhatsApp links. Check the link to secondary school. The first link is not filled yet, so that you get added to the general group. The general group is not the specific group for those people that have ordered for our flash, but it's a general group where you can get information on educateafricans.com and everything you need. So check the first group. The second group I think is filled already. So and check the description for other links to our website and other things, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless.